Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tisha Marie and today I have another wig review for you guys. So this wig that I'm wearing right now was sent to me from LuvMe Hair and they are sponsoring today's video. So if you guys are interested in seeing me install this hair and letting you know what I think about it, then let's go ahead and get right into the video. First things first, I'm gonna apologize for my lighting because the sun is like coming in and out and it's doing some weird things with the shadows. Nonetheless, we have us another purple box here from LuvMe Hair. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what we've got. We got our comb, we got our wig cap, our clip, our brush, and most importantly, our wig. The wig that I am trying out today is a little bit different because I feel like y'all might be getting tired of seeing the same straight or body wave or like black curly wig. So we got some with some color today. I did go ahead and pull it up on the website just to make sure that I'm giving y'all the right information. This is LuvMe's PartingMax Glueless Wig in Chestnut Brown with highlights. A 7x6 closure HD lace long curly wig with a breathable wig cap. This is how she looks. And this is the lace. And 7x6 closure, as y'all can see. And then your adjustable band so that you can wear a glueless. As always, we love glueless wig. And I think that this one is 20 inches. I'm a little excited, a little bit scared because I don't usually do color, but we're gonna switch it up and do some color today. So here we go, we're gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm a little scared of this color, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. This is how the wig looks straight out of the pack. I haven't done anything to it besides putting it on my head. And I did put just a little bit of foundation on the lace just so that it matched my skin tone a little bit better. And of course, I'm gonna zoom y'all in so you can see how it looks before we do anything else to this wig. How the hairline looks on the wig. Again, this is a closure wig, not a frontal, so the lace is not gonna go all the way down to my ears. But so far, I do think that the lace looks good. I think I want to do just a little bit more plucking, but it is pre-plucked just a little bit. But I think I'm going to do just a little bit more pre-plucking. But if you're the type of person that doesn't want to have to pluck your wig, then you should be good with this one. Also, I'm not really feeling the side part on me, especially not on this side. I typically like my side parts on this side, but I'm going to do a middle part because I'm just a middle part girly, especially when it comes to curly hair. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't know what this hair is about to do or how it's gonna look once it's dry. If it's gonna look any different from what it did when I first put it on. I'm going to go off camera, do my makeup, let my hair dry, and then I'll come back and we'll see how it's looking. Okay, so I'm back. I did my makeup. I took the band off and this is how it looks. Also, I did cut a little bit of layers in the front just so that it could frame my face a little bit better and it all wasn't just like one length. This is how it ends up looking once it dried. I think the curls are really pretty. I did brush it so that it had some frizz to it because y'all know I love me some frizz when it comes to curly hair. But I like it. I think that the color is really pretty. I think it complements my skin really beautifully. Also, I didn't mention, but the hair is really soft, especially for it to have been dyed. I was kind of expecting the hair to be especially for the hair to have been dyed and I guess bleached because of like the light highlights in it. I was expecting the hair to be like maybe a little bit hard or feel a little bit dry, but it doesn't. It feels really soft, and it feels just as soft as like any other black hair that I've reviewed. But yeah, this feels really nice. The curls look really good. What do y'all think? Also, I like the fullness of it because it's not like too big to the point where I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this hair, but it's still big enough so that it doesn't look too stringy or just not enough hair. And as y'all can see, I did add a little bit of baby hairs to the hairline just because I kind of messed up the hairline a little bit when I went to pluck it. I was trying to do something different with the hairline, girl, and I should have just left it alone because the hairline looked perfectly fine when I put it on my head. I was just trying to be extra, and that's where I went wrong. And again, y'all, this is a closure wig. And also wanted to show y'all that this is glueless. In fact, this little piece right here, like, it's not even laying all the way down flat on my head. Yeah, it's not even flat down on my head all the way. But just so y'all can see, like, there's no glue whatsoever. This comb is just sliding back and forth right underneath the lace. The lace, I think the lace looks good. I did put some foundation on it just like I do with all of my lace. But even before I put foundation on it, it didn't have any weird cast to it or look ashy or anything. It was pretty easy to get it to match my skin tone. Lace was really easy to work with, really nice, really thin. It was already pre-cut, pre-plucked. Like I said, you don't really have to worry about doing much of anything with this wig. Honestly, I feel like that's the case with pretty much all of the wigs that LuvMe has sent over to me. They all have been pre-plucked. The lace has already been pre-cut, and the knots have pretty much been pre-bleached. So like the knots don't look really big or super noticeable, and the integrity of the hair is always really nice. If you're looking for a company to spend your money with and you want to make sure that the integrity of the hair is good, I would definitely say look at LuvMe hair. This is cute. This is really cute. This color is really different for me. I don't do color, but I like this. It's really cute. I'll go ahead and show y'all how long the hair is. It is 20 inches, and keep in mind that this is curly hair, so it's falling to about here on me. If I was to stretch it out, it would be much longer, but I'm not gonna stretch it out too much. I didn't even really define the back. I just brushed it out and didn't redefine it. So this is kind of how the back is looking. Yeah, I like this hair. So if you guys are interested in checking this hair out for yourself, of course, all of the details will be listed down below in the description box. So just go ahead and click on that link and it'll take you right over to LuvMe's website where you can grab this specific unit. So that's it, y'all. As always, thank you so much to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video and for sending this wig over. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. And if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss any of the new uploads here. And I will see y'all next time. All right, bye.